Good morning, what's up, people? Welcome back to our daily vlogs. Yeah, there was daily vlogs. So actually, the daily vlogging is a typical version of life. Actually, so you wouldn't know the vlogging problems. There's my girl. I don't want to skip this with the excuses. Yeah, there is excuses, but I'm still doing it. I'm still working on it. Yeah, great. Come on, great. Yeah. So actually, it's been many days. Video పెట్టలేదన్నమాట. So ఎందుకంటే ఐ వాజ్ ఆన్ మెనీ థింగ్స్. నడిచి కొండకి వెళ్ళామన్నమాట. తర్వాత న్యూ ఇయర్ ఒకటి వచ్చింది. తర్వాత మధ్యలో చాలా ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. సో మధ్యలో చాలా వచ్చాయన్నమాట డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్. బట్ ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ డూయింగ్ మై జాబ్, స్టిల్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్. And today is a new year. Welcome back to New Year 2022. And guys, and today is 1/1/2022. Welcome back to New Year. And so I feel great actually because I'm alive. Yeah. So you know what? Today I'm going to be vlogging with all previous data and today's data. I'm going to be adding, I'm going to be editing, I'm going to be posting the video today itself. So what's up? What's been waiting for? Let's go, have fun. And it is just 12 days remaining to Sankranti. Let's just have fun and go have a wonderful festival and see you around. What's up? నేను నీకోసం చూసినావా నైట్ నువ్వు రాలా. హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్. సో ఫ్రమ్ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ నాకు ఒక కళ అనేది మిగిలిపోయింది అనమాట. సో మెనీ ఇయర్స్ నుంచి నాకు ఒక కళ మిగిలిపోయింది అనమాట. సో 6-pack అనేది నా డ్రీమ్, రియల్ డ్రీమ్ అనమాట. సో చాలా కారణాల వల్ల అది వెనక్కిపోతూనే ఉంది. బట్ దిస్ ఇయర్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి హ్యాపన్ అగైన్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ ఐమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బిల్డ్ మై 6-pack అండ్ బీయింగ్ ఎ ఫిట్. Yeah, that is my plan. And yeah, no one gonna stop me yet. So I'm going to fill that dream in this year with all prosperity and with all happiness, with healthy. So you know what, చాలా తర్వాత I plan to go some vacation అనమాట. Yeah bro,
అన్ని ప్యాక్ అయిపోయినాయి.
Everything is packed. So I'm ready to start. I'm ready to come actually. మొత్తం ప్యాక్ అయిపోయినాయి. So మొత్తం ప్యాక్ అయిపోయినాయి. I'm ready to go. Okay, see you at 12 o'clock. Okay, yeah, see you there. So yeah, you know what, I'm going on vacation. I'm going on virtual vacation, which called you can see directly. So for this I have packed everything, my clothes, my electronics, my laptop, my chair, my bag, my specs, my everything packed, and the only rest is start out of middle point. Let's go, see you there. So I wish you happy new year again and welcome to 2022. And say goodbye to 2021. It was horrible actually. It's old version and coming to new version. It is 2022. Yeah, we should be grateful because we're alive. Finally, I'm on the beach. You see here behind me, the beach. Good start. So very peaceful. January 1st. It is a very clean and blue beach behind me. There is so good. Let's have some fun. So today is Jan 1st, 2022 అనమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇయర్. ఈ సంవత్సరం మొత్తం ఎలా ఉంటుందో. సో ఐ విష్ యూ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ అనేది జస్ట్ అ వర్డ్, ఇట్స్ అ విష్. అండ్ సో మనకు తెలియదు అనమాట కమింగ్ ఇయర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది అండ్ హౌ ఈస్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఈస్ గోనా బి. So it's a big question mark. So we have to make our lives is better. We have to make our thoughts better, and we have to make our everything is better. So so that's in our hands. That's in our hands. So yes, let's have some fun. Let's go. Good morning, guys. What's up? So it's been a while. I haven't made any video. So actually, there's a disturbance between today, 28/12/2021. You know what? Today I'm gonna be vlogging. Yeah. So let's get this day. See you around. You know, guess what? Oh my god, it's horrible. Guess what? I'm in Tirumala actually. So I nacha anamata padayatra valla almost 30 kilometers nadchuntam anamata. Almost less steps I had yesterday. So that's why I had this lean body. That's why I had this lean body. You know what? Yeah, it looks good. I feel wow. So actually limited food తీసుకున్నా, more water while walking, and also I had some fruits. So I'm not feeling that much hungry, and I was walking with heavy weight. My shoulders are paining actually, and that's it. Yesterday was done, and darshan కూడా చాలా బాగా జరిగింది, and 1.5 hour time తీసుకుంది. So darshan బాగా జరిగింది అన్నమాట. And then I have to go down and ready. Let's back to work. Let's back to home. See ya. So come on, let's change the clothes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So full setup is done, man. Back. Go back now. So early morning 7:30 అయిందన్నమాట. So I'm heading to a laddu counter to collect my laddus. So తెలీదు అక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేసి ఉంటారా లేదా, ఈ మార్నింగ్ తెరిచి ఉంటారా లేదా. So question marks. Let's go there and check it out. And wow, early morning మాడవీధులు అనమాట. సో మెయిన్ టెంపుల్ అక్కడ ఉంది. So that's it, guys. ఇవాళ వీడియో అయితే ముగిస్తున్నాం అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే it's getting bit lengthy అనమాట. So it's boring and there's no other data to add on more. Come on. It's so boring. Yeah. So and one more thing I have to mention here. What is it? Is so why? So ఈ డైలీ వ్లాగ్స్ ఎందుకు నేను ఇలా చేస్తున్నాను అంటే, so I believe I'm not giving a much content, but I will give you a much content in the future as well, because I'm still learning it. So I'm still learning, and so ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాను అంటే, to see myself into dedication, consistency and challenge man, challenge. Yeah. So చేయగలమా లేదా? So why we are doing so many things in the whole day, but so why don't we add, so to see myself, actually to kill my shyness and many other things. Yeah. So I'm going to reach all them at one point. That's sure. Damn sure it's going to be happen every soon. So till then, wish you happy new year, guys, and have a great day and have a great year ahead. Just go for whatever you want to do.